Hi, I'm Joseph Kerr, Instructional Designer at Emporia State University. This video is going to be a quick introduction to iTunes U on the iPad, how to get in, find the courses, navigate them, and get what you need out of them. So going to the iTunes U app, it may open like this for you, or it may open if you click on Library. It'll open your library. And I will show one thing while I remember it. If you flip it to portrait mode, or to landscape mode, you get different information. So if you are in a course that is being continually updated by your instructor, you want to probably look at it in landscape, so you can click on the posts and assignments because things will be updated. This is where you can see it. You don't get that information in portrait mode, so just keep that in mind. But we're going to start looking at the catalog, so you can toggle back to catalog. Finding courses, if it's something where you're just exploring, at the top there are categories. You can search an item, you can look for a specific university or organization or K-12 school. They have featured standout ones or notable ones in the middle that change every once in a while. At the bottom, you can also enroll in a course, which your instructor might have you do. So you click on enroll, and they would have told you what code to put in there so that you can get to their course information. Now, if you find a course you like, you can tap on it. It gives you information. You can see what kinds of materials there are, or what basically the whole timeline is. So if you don't want to go through 34 different sections, don't pick this course. But when you're ready, you can click subscribe and get course, and it will add this course to your library. So let's look at the library now. You can organize this, just your overall bookshelf, which it puts it as the latest book that you, or the latest course you joined is on the top. You can organize it alphabetically by provider. So these are ones that Apple put out, which are grouped together, or if you want it categorized, so whichever. So tapping on a course will open it for you. The first time it will open up to the information page, and so you can read through all of that information. The posts are probably where they're going to have basically the progression through this, and it's organized ideally so that you have, introduction and then each different module or section of it. When you click on any of these, this icon of a little compass is the Safari icon, and so that'll be a website. We have the videos that we can watch, information there. We can play this video, but it has duration. We can also, if we've downloaded this to our device, we can click here to delete it. And they say we have slides here. That will be a PDF document that we can download and view. We would download it by hitting that cloud. As we go through each of these, you can check that you've done them. These don't interact with your instructors at all. So these are just courses that live there, even if it's ones that you have, with an instructor on campus. They can't really go and check on these. This isn't a graded thing that gets submitted somewhere. So this is really only for your benefit, being able to check these off to see how much you've progressed through. Jumping over on the bottom to materials, it may be tempting to look here to find just what are the things you want to download. You can set it up with the settings at the top. You're automatically subscribed by default, so anything new they add to the course, you'll get added onto your device and your version of the course. If you turn that off, you just won't get any updates. But you can also set it to automatically download, and so that takes all the information, automatically puts it onto your device, so you don't have to wait ahead of time to be able to view, or you're going on a road trip, you can download it ahead of time. Now if we hop back over to the notes, this is where we can see all the notes from this course. And it's really helpful if you have multiple iBooks being used maybe, or in this case it's a video, and we could also have an iBook or lots of resources, but all the resources, you're able to put all those notes into one place instead of having the notes attached to book number 1 and book number 2 and video. You can get them all here. So if we click on here, it takes us to the video that we are watching. But it took me right to 28 seconds into that video, which is also pretty handy. Now how I added that was back in posts. I was watching this video, and I tapped this notes view at the top. So then while the video is playing, I can tap the new note icon and start typing. It attaches the note. I hit notes at the top and exit, and that new note is added to my notes page. And to help you organize this, on the side it does break it down into notes I just took about the course in general, so I could just take a note here at any time when I'm in the course and make a general note like, hey, I need to remember to do this. That may show up there. Or remember this for the test, even if it's not attached to a specific material item. You can make broader ones. Audio, video notes, and book notes. In this case, I don't have any book notes yet. And those are the basics, what you really need to know for navigating iTunes U, getting into course, and performing what you're supposed to do in the course.